The Scout XT Slingshot will come out of the package just like this, with the lanyard installed. It'll also include a set of flip clips. These are made to attach the bands to the slingshot and can attach the bands in a through the forks or an over-the-top configuration. It also includes two sets of bands, one set specifically for clay ammo and one set specifically for 3/8 steel ammo. And we also include a sample of each of those projectiles to get you started. We recommend you start with the clay. The Scout XT fits a wide variety of hands. If you've got really small hands, you can certainly hammer grip it. The bulbous handle lends to a very nice hammer grip hold. It may also be held in a pinch grip and a thumb brace grip. It may be set up over the top or through the forks. This slingshot is very accommodating. It's probably one of the most popular slingshots in the world today. The Scout XT from Simple Shot is a great choice for anyone that's just wanting to get into the slingshot shooting sport, or for someone that's looking for a more full-sized slingshot.